Today we're testing the 85G Master 1.4 lens. We've tested this before in full frame, but now we're trying it in Super 35. A7R2, XAVCS, 100 megabits a second, 4K, 30p. Now there's many reports on this lens that it's a little bit noisy, and what I'll do now is just show you a little bit of that noise. It is quite audible. And there you go, you can hear that. So if you are using it for video, bear that in mind. You're probably going to need to use an external microphone for that. Let's try a little bit of rolling shutter for you. There you go. So there's three 85s native. You've got the Sony 1.8, the Zeiss 1.8 and this 1.4. If you're a professional, got the money to burn, no brainer, get the 1.4. If you're a hobbyist, I'd go for the Sony really. I think for the money, the Zeiss isn't really worth it at this stage unless you've got a load of other Zeiss lenses and you want to complete the set. But for me, it's the 1.4 if you get paid for your pictures, and the 1.8 Sony if you don't. Benefits of the 1.4 for me is the bokeh, the rendering, just the way that it looks. But if you're not shooting wide open, then really just stick with the Sony, to be honest. Quick test for you now of the clear image zoom. There we go, that's your clear image zoom at 2 times. And back to normal again. This lens has a selectable aperture ring, which you can change it so that it clicks or is smooth for video purposes. It also has a selectable autofocus manual focus switch on the side of the lens. So there we have it, the 85G Master 1.4 in Super 35 mode. Is it going on your list? Let me know. And, as usual guys, it's been emotional.